குட் மார்னிங். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருவே துணை, ஓம் ஸ்ரீ திருநிலியமன் துணை, ஓம் ஸ்ரீ வீரசாந்த மகாகாளி துணை. Cancer Lagna Bhava benefits. Cancer house is the first sign. Unstable sign, unstable reward is Cancer. Since it is a house of water, it is not the house of the moon. The personality of the moon cannot be sure whether the reward for this sign will be received or not. It will come, but it will not come. Cancer is a zodiac sign with unstable endowment. For time of God, the fourth house is comfort, food, sleep, shelter, basic comfort, tricks, education. Which sign Cancer comes from should not be in the name. Their place of business should not be their own place. Their bank balance cannot be used for their whims. The 10th sign will not help them. Leo house is the second sign. It does not feed only to show. The mother is elder brother, uncle, Bava. This sign is their identifier. Virgo house is the third sign. Younger brother, close friend, father-in-law, enmity, hatred, vanmam, panchayat, dumulat. Due to these three relational malefics will occur in Capricorn ascendant. More importantly, through these three karagas, they will get into debt problems. Virgo debt related matter can be said to be sign, and that is place of success. Take advantage, care should be taken to avoid evils. If a younger brother, close friend, or father-in-law is a borrower, if he has money, he should give it. If not, he should not give it. And he should not borrow and lend. If the loan is given in such a way, the buyer will cheat, or they will not be able to repay the loan. So you have to pay that debt. These three persons should not be involved in the matter of credit. If you are involved in such a situation, you will be affected. You can give more than the required amount of you don't expect return. Otherwise, don't give. This Lagna should not sign anything when asked. There is a change of being cheated by fake drafts, thereby getting involved in tumultuous cases of debt problems. The third sign is the income generated by online transaction writing, which leads to a lot of fuzzy court cases. They have the opportunity to get credit through the younger brother medicine. The sign of Virgo is a sign that can be cursed by Saturn. This sign is a sign that can spell life dosha and Saturn curse, because Mercury cursed by Saturn. Virgo has more Saturn curse than Gemini. Because Mercury's trigonal house, close friend, younger brother, father-in-law in this family, there will be persons with Saturn karma as stars or Lagna point or Lagna lord. Libra house is the fourth sign. Seventh bhava for Libra lord and fourth bhava for Cancer ascendant. Maternal relative education, tricks, house, vehicle, property, comfort, residential area. 10th, if related to 7, will sleep at the place of work. Fourth place is where we stay. We are staying at the place of work, and movement starts through Libra fourth bhava to Cancer Lagna. Seventh sign, social interaction. All these are movements through the fourth sign. As long as they stay at home, they don't know anything. If they go outside to study and work, their entire situation will change. They change as they natural and choose. Learning about people will lead to the ability to handle people. When learning the trick, a great change will appear in life. They keep in touch with a lot of people. They get the ability to deal with a lot of people. Some people and get that experience at home. Some people shine with learning the art of education outside. He has wisdom in a pinch. Their early life gives them this maturity only when they stay outside. They will know a lot about the people of the outside world, to know our nature state, to know the relationship between us and the world, how we should change ourselves to shoot how people see us, and what we should talk about, what not to talk to, whom to talk to get used to. The lesson we learn from maternal relatives will give them great maturity. The experience of the educational world, the house, the wife, the car, the property, the happiness that can be gained through it, the different experiences of staying, the experience of staying unsteadily, the fourth sign, all these will be lesson for dealing with the world. When the fourth sign is committed, the husband and wife system gives up his life for the mother who gets the allowance. Scorpio house is the fifth sign. First child, family, deity, worship, sports, art and science, arts, the place where the desire to heal and so on can create an abyss for the signs committed in the past life. Brainwashing himself into the abyss, the elder child should listen and him and not commit any wrongdoing. Do not do ungodly deeds for the sake of the child. Dharma should not be violated for the sake of the child. They should not take bribes for their children. They will fail into the abyss if they buy jobs by paying bribes like that. They should not do a dharma in any matter depending on the fifth sign. They should not make any mistakes depending on astrology, art, cult, deity worship. The manner of worship should be honest. In engaging in deities, be inactive as much as possible. If you make an honest loan, it should not be unfulfilled. He should not take even a single penny. If he acts in the matter of temple restoration, if he commits a mistake beyond that, his clan will be destroyed. There should be no bribery in sports, no discrimination against studies who donate their tricks, no adharma. He will have to face ugliness and shame through the children he has. Sagittarius house is the sixth sign. Examination, competition, sports field, academic field, war, fight, fuss, litigation, debt, health, challenge, test, younger maternal uncle, own job, public service, enemies. The sixth bhava house contains so many evils. By that they will go to the next stage of life, can attain supreme wisdom. When dealing with the subject of duty, higher wisdom is obtained, and thus many habits are obtained. Studying higher education and attaining B status from work organization, higher education, competitive examination, teaching work, public service, dealing with economic matters, bending, deciding whatever to take a loan or not, looking for a way to pay off exiting debt. Similarly, actions that can be taken to reduce debt burden through activities. Sixth sign Sagittarius. The path will be formed through this. These people should not be take loans. If they do so, if it will go on for a long time and they will not get debt. There are many benefits in the sixth sign. By doing so, they will go to the next stage in their careers. If he takes a loan and goes abroad through an agency, he should not go. In that case, he will go abroad. You should not take a loan to go abroad. You can take it for higher studies. Loan should not be taken in connection with the study abroad assignment. Sixth Bhavagaraka relationships only those who have acquired Rahu star's karma. Capricorn house is the seventh sign. Capricorn is the sign of overworking. It is a sign that exploits the power it has and seeks social recognition. By directing the sign of Capricorn, there will be career growth, and by achieving that career growth, social recognition will come. It is true Capricorn Bhava that he leaves his unique identity in the society. The more we engage ourselves in this sign based labor duty with many specialties, the more recognition and fame will come to us. It will also gain popularity. We will become famous through it, and only after becoming famous will we become the king of professions. That professional experience will be available only through Capricorn Bhavam. But it takes an awful lot of work. The blood-stained Kanda will be by or take work from us, through which the peace will decrease and only success will come. If we pass this, their lives are different before and after the marriage period, and after marriage there will be a huge situation when they are superior in professional matters. They will attain great position after marriage. The seventh sign is mass communication. The best asset for Capricorn is the habit of human contact. Keeping those relationships healthy and maintaining them in honest and constructive manner, keeping those friendships healthy and making use of the opportunities available through them in a good, fair and honest manner. If he uses the connections he has in a proper manner, he will achieve great success, which no one else in this world can achieve in any other field. If properly handled, success will rise to the Himalayas. Through this, his unforgettable will be high. A lot of people have used it properly. They don't accept. They leave unused the context they use. It is bad for them to trust until they deceive, and thus they will be deceived. Very few people on this Lagna shine using this good kind of human relations. If they do business related to the public, they have so many collections that anything can happen from the seat of fame. If they use the available connections properly, they are on a different level. They are not allowed to sit here at home, keeping them in touch with the world. This is what takes them to a peak in the business. People who know this trick can in the business. Don't be stuck at home. Socialize with lots of people and keep making connections. This will give you unique recognition, fame, wealth, and prosperity. Aquarius house is the eighth sign. Desire, imagination, ambition, profit, depending on what the wish. A fulfilled sign can get good results by directing the eighth sign for them. Management of opponent, income, education, business administration, they give a responsibility to us. He gives a business to give him profit and income. Then the moral responsibility of developing that business, and evening him income comes to him. When that responsibility is fulfilled and handled profitably through skillful thinking, the eighth sign movement will begin. Through this, our desires, ambitions, and desires will be fulfilled. We can achieve our karmic results. Only through the work we do, we can achieve our karma, good or bad. Through this, our long time desires will be fulfilled. Life insurance, recycling of old materials are the eighth signful activities, and our lab station will flourish as we honestly apply our intellect. Life insurance, a solution for terminal illnessness. Saying this will make a big team and use it honestly. Eighth sign relationship friendship is a great asset. Through them we gain knowledge in many fields. Through this, a lot of information will arrive, and thus big dreams can be achieved. Pisces house is the ninth sign. Wasting, spending a thing is the 12th sign. Medicine, medical expenses, foreign countries, doing business by crossing the sea, looking for liquid in the ocean. The house associated with it is Pisces. Private life, our personal world, our bedroom. Hypo, hypnotherapy, nightlife, medicine, hospital, drug store, doctors, different types of medical world. It is related study. It is related technical facility. If such information comes as health disorder, as far as the medical world is concerned, then how can we simply? Pisces is the place where wisdom can bring awareness to how we can receive treatment with sophistication and quality at the lowest possible cost. We can control medical expenses through this sign. The sign of Pisces will help us a lot of dealing with sudden medical expenses. Foreign entry awareness related, do it. How not to be deceived in it. How to be careful about it. From much people can get related information. Pisces is a sign that holds the knowledge and experience in itself. Happy spending. The sign of saying these things is Pisces. The ninth sign of Cancer ascendant, Lagna. 3/4 of their expenses come from the night sign. Medical expenses incurred by the father and father's family, distance travel, expenses incurred by higher education, spirituality, temple, auspiciousness, spouse, wife, younger brother sign, brother-in-law sign, loss of auspiciousness or auspiciousness through them, medical expenses, foreign opportunity available through brother-in-law, get professional knowledge for the relevant job, night work people, working abroad people connected with medical field, father, brother-in-law, Kuladaiva, Bath, family, husband, wife, close friends, circles, neighbors must have sun karma regard mixed in it. Sun for medicine god will be associated with medical field. Politicians will be in the habit of being associated with one or the other field of administration. Medical and paramedical contacts are available abroad, and they have information about this. If you want to get in touch with the medical department, you can get it through the ninth Bhava Garagam, or if you go for help, you will get a good way. The information available through them will be great help to us in times of emergency. They should take advantage of the help to reduce unexpected expenses in life. which will help prevent overspending. The positive information contained in this should be used in. Taurus house is the 11th sign. Service, company, charity, association, group, government based association, integrated group, elder brother, luxury matter, wish fulfillment place, luxury life, creating transport as one like related professions, part-time professions, hostel providing comfort to others, 11th sign hostel, food industry, transport sector will be successful in doing business, helping the members of the association based business will also give them a good income. Working with the responsibility of coordinating a team is profitable. Doing it without investment is profitable. Renting houses and hostels will pass. In this, they will get income as well as merit. Gemini house is the 12th sign. Ionic sleep, foreign life, living across the ocean, treatment is a major sign. Privacy, things that do not need to be told to anyone. Private life in the bedroom are all the 12th sign. Research that can be done confidently should not disclose anything related to the 12th house. Otherwise, it can go into controversy. Many consequences tests can lead to ugliness and shame. That's all. Cancer Lagana Bhava benefits. Thank you, thank you, thank you.